Hello and welcome. This is Michael from Commando to Yogi, and this channel is all about teaching ourselves to be our own hero, because we can watch all of the YouTube videos, read all of the books, listen to all of the talks, but essentially it comes down to us, our own actions, our own motivations, our own self-discipline. So yes, and this video is about me and my friend, a little bit of a vlog, going off to the Peak District, doing a little bit of a walk, a trek, and then jumping in the cold water, doing a bit of Wim Hof cold water therapy, and also talking about some things whilst in there, i.e. bad times, good times, you know, ups, downs, smiles and frowns. And we all have a choice, don't we, after we go through these situations, whether we can feel wounded from it or we can get wise from it and then move forward, and then jumping out of the comfort zone, getting into the moments and becoming a better version of ourselves. And that's what it's all about, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm off to get a haircut because my hair's gone way too long. And remember, don't take life so seriously. We're all going to die one day, and I mean that in a positive way. Do all the things that you feel like you want to do. Just do it. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. Take it easy. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Mikey out. Hit it.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Come on, Kebby, show us what you're doing. Kebby's come up with a good idea, doing some little nice sprints for a warm-up. Smash it out. Look at him go. Look at that little powder monkey. There he goes. Oh yeah, oosh, oosh. And then a nice little slow little jog down to the left. Yeah, just for a little warm-up. Whoop, whoop. Look at this. People talk about the pandemic and COVID and stuff, but hey, there's a lot of beautiful things coming from it. People are getting outside, getting more connected. Yee, more connected. Woohoo! So yeah, here we are in the Peak District. I love the place called Dovedale. Oh, I see a can there. We're going to pick that up. Hey, how many times in our lifetime have we seen some litter? It looks like I planted it there, but I haven't. But how many times have we seen some litter in some national parks and just thought, oh, look at that litter, but not picked it up? I used to do that a lot when I was younger. And then when I first ran around the Annapurna circuit in Nepal, I was on a massive litter picking mission. Anyway, so here we are, lovely Dovedale in the Peak District. We've just earned ourselves a free bath. Hammy Campy, our reward for our HIIT workout is a free bath. So here we go. Get in there, Mr. Kemp. Whoosh. Here we go, eh? Wonder if as many people would be doing these kind of things now if the pandemic didn't happen. There's always something beautiful that comes from everything that doesn't seem beautiful. You know what I mean? The contrast. Yay! Easier than yesterday? And now we're going to stay in here for about 10 minutes. Beautiful. Where else would you want to be right now? Really? Peekaboo! Here we go, in nature's playground. What else do you want? I've said it before and I'll say it again. I used to have a very negative association with England because I travel to different countries, appreciate different cultures, and I think a lot of us are spoiled and not grateful enough. But when you're in places like this and you get connected, how can you not be grateful? Holy shitballs. Let's get out of our comfort zone and be connected, people. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Come on, ducks, come join me in the party. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop.
Good morning. Happy Thursday. Ay caramba. Nature's playground. Woo! Now we chill together as one. Woo! How fortunate are we all, people? We're sitting here in the comforts of our own home, thinking about things that we know are going to be good for us, but instead of doing it, we're just thinking about doing it. We're scrolling through the internet, looking at other people doing it, thinking I want to do it, but not doing it. So if you're watching this, turn off the laptop, throw the phone away, get out, go for a run, jump in some cold water, take a cold shower, feel alive, feel present. It's impossible to not be in the moment when submerging yourself in cold water. If you want to be in the moment, like all the scriptures and all the books say, be in the now, blah, 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 blah. Very simple. Cold shower, cold water, get in some nature. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wim Hof method. Confessions in a cold tub. But it's true what they say, isn't it? It's all very easy learning about all the stuff, reading about the stuff, watching people doing the stuff. But doing it ourselves, that's where the tricky part is. So this video is about me just telling you, or telling myself to get up and do it. You know, giving advice or trying to motivate and all the other stuff that I enjoy doing, I'm also doing it to myself. It motivates me and helps me. I'm not perfect. Fuck, I've been through a super low point. Again, the last month or two, really like the lowest I think I've ever been. Yeah. But hey, we have a choice. From bad experiences in our life, we can choose. Do we get wounded from that experience? Or do we get wise from that experience and move on and excel? That's the question. Get wounded or get wise, people. Woohoo! I choose wisdom, strength, growth, personal development, creation. Get ourselves out of our comfort zone. Great ideas will come. And also you'll start realizing what is it that you want to do in your life. What is your purpose? What are you passionate about? What makes you feel alive? What stuff would you do if you're doing it for free? What are the answers to them questions? Ask yourself when you're sitting in a cold tub. The answers will come. Remember, I say it before, I say it again. There is no change without change. You can't expect a different results or a different outcome by doing the same shit. So, if you're a woman, grab your pussy. If you're a guy, grab your penis and take some action towards where you want to be and where you want to go. And if you don't know where that is, then throw yourself in an uncomfortable situation, something that takes strength, takes discipline. Come out of your comfort zone. Jump out of a plane without a parachute. No. But just do something that you haven't done. You know? Get out of the comfort zone, guys. Powerful stuff. The cold water natural swimming thing is taking off at the moment. Wim Hof cold showers is taking off. There's a reason why it's taking off. Because people are getting positive results from it. Making themselves a better person. Which then, it's a contagious thing, isn't it? If you're feeling good and positive about yourself, you then pass that on to other people. I don't want to talk about bad things in the world necessarily, but as an observation, there's a lot of people in this world that focus on all the bad shit in the world. The environment, what's going on with the environment, you know, what's going on with vaccines, all of these stuff. And I'm not saying don't be aware of those things. You can't not be there, they're out there, you know. But It's an easy way out to focus on all the negatives that's going on externally from you and forgetting about what's going on internally in you. It's an easy way out to just focus on all the other stuff external from you and express that inner discontent with the external world. It's an easy way out. So what I'm saying is, first, put all that effort and all that attention on yourself, make yourself a better person, make yourself vibrate at a positive level, then that'll get contagious and pass on to somebody else, and then that'll pass on to somebody else, and then we'll have a worldwide positive epidemic. So how does that sound? That sounds good to you? Like and subscribe, motherfucker. Let's do it. Positive pandemic or positive epidemic. Take over the world. Anyway, I'm now going to close my eyes and chill. Ciao for now. Perfect spot, mate. You've got the top of the mountains too. Yeah. Like them ones, because it's got a wide lens. You've got all that too. I'm going to miss coming here now.
It's always here, mate.
I know.
It's always here, baby. Come on, baby. Come on now, let's get on with the day. Come on. Let's have you. Well, now I've done what I need to do. Go.
Hey, you! Stop scrolling. Stop looking. Get out of your comfort zone and do something that's going to make you feel better, make you feel different. Do something you haven't done. Go on, get off your phone. Stop scrolling the Instagram. Go and jump in some cold water. Take a cold shower. Go for a run backwards. I don't know. Take off your clothes. Go running naked. Do something you haven't done before. Come out of your comfort zone. Something new. Drive a different direction. Brush your teeth with your different hand. Do something different. Let's create a positive pandemic. Woo hoo hoo! Come on. Hee hee. Mikey out. Okay. Whoa. Okay, 10 minutes in the natural bath. It looks like you get a complete suntan.
Got purple shoulders on,
Purple.
I'm not out there. Got shoulder there.
I can't see it. Supposedly I look purple.
What? You fucking joking? See, look at that. See now?
Any excuse to touch me. Yeah. Nature's suntan. Get in there, guys. There's a reason why everyone keeps doing it. Come on, join the party. Whoop, whoop. Hee hee.